Your argumentative paragraph planning sheet is where you will map out your essay. Each box corresponds to a vital piece of the essay, such as the thesis statement, paragraph topic sentences, supporting evidence, and conclusion. The planning sheet is a tool meant to help you structure your essay, ensure that you are staying on topic, and plan additional evidence and information to include in your supporting paragraphs. We will start with a blank argumentative paragraph planning sheet and fill out each section. For this example, we are using the prompt, take a position either agreeing or disagreeing with the topic presented in one of the two videos provided. What is AI and is artificial intelligence plagiarism? For this example, we are agreeing with the position in is artificial intelligence plagiarism by exploring the reasons why using artificial intelligence to write essays instead of as a tool is plagiarism. First, let's fill in our thesis statement. AI is a great tool that can help students generate ideas as well as aid in the understanding of assignments through modeling. However, in addition to undercutting student learning, students should be aware that AI has drawbacks. Next, we will fill in the topic sentence and evidence for our first supporting paragraph. One disadvantage is that AI tends to be repetitive. For this reason, the wording in the paper may become redundant, the output may be nonsensical, or the information may be outdated. Note that we are using a placeholder for the MLA citation. The citation that fits your evidence will be added later. Also note that in a full essay, you would elaborate by providing more information and examples of redundant wording, nonsensical output, and outdated information. The planning sheet is used as a tool to give you plenty of room to brainstorm and plan these elaborations. We will also fill in additional evidence for supporting topic number 1. In addition, AI's prose may be inaccurate or not match the assignment instructions. AI can only regurgitate the information it locates when responding to the user prompt. It does not understand the meaning of in context, nor can it fully grasp the point of the assignment. Any gaps or illogical information will be a red flag to instructors. Once we finish with supporting paragraph 1, we'll do the same thing for supporting paragraph 2 by writing our topic sentence, our evidence, and additional evidence. Finally, we will summarize our information and restate our thesis in the conclusion. Thus, AI is a great tool when used properly. Nonetheless, students should be aware that AI has weaknesses, red flags that instructors are looking for, such as repetitiveness and illogical statements. AI may also produce fictitious references. Due to the failings that may happen in a manufactured paper, the only way to complete the assignment is by putting in the work, which is the purpose of the assignment in the first place. Once you have filled in all of the boxes on the planning sheet, you will have the bones for your essay with a thesis statement, 2 supporting paragraphs, and a conclusion. When it's time to write your essay, you will take the information from your planning sheet and incorporate it into your MLA formatted Word document. Please take a minute to view the video in the Blackboard module titled Page Setup for Heading and Header in MLA Format. Note that MLA is the required format for all papers written in ENC 1101. Here is an example of the completed assignment in MLA format. Note that the colors are used only for this example and black should be used on the actual assignment. Each color corresponds to the colors used on our essay planning sheet, so you can see how they all fit together to form the completed essay. Here are a few final notes for you to remember. Works Cited has its own page. Your instructor will likely provide you with the works cited for the resources you will be using for assignments in ENC 1101. For this example assignment, both sources from the prompt have been included so that you can choose whichever one you decide to use. When using an abbreviation, write out the full term the first time it is used, followed by the abbreviation in parentheses. Example, artificial intelligence, AI. Then use only the abbreviation for the remainder of the paper. When paraphrasing is being used instead of a direct quote, quotation marks are not needed, but the source is still cited. Example in-text citation for Suleiman. Use the last name and timestamp in the video. Keep your blank argumentative essay planning sheet to use on future assignments, and in your spare time, feel free to practice using the planning sheet with your own prompts.